Before discussing this topic, let's talk about the types of jobs for those who type fast and accurately. There are three main categories: transcription, data entry, and general office work. Transcription is more demanding because it requires accuracy and attention to detail rather than just speed. However, it also pays better on average. Data entry can be done from anywhere as long as an internet connection is available. General office work includes tasks such as making copies or faxing documents. Data entry is where a company sends a large amount of data such as invoices or receipts that needs to be typed into a database or spreadsheet. This can be done via software or on paper onto a computer, depending on the type of data entry project. The pay for data entry can be on either a per assignment basis or an hourly wage, and it is the easiest way to earn money by typing. In the transcription industry, the person has to listen the audio file and document on a transcription software and then write it. The pay for transcription can be hourly or per assignment depending on the company you're working for. General office work includes proofreading from home, proofreading other person's writings, or company documents. This company usually hires writers on a contract basis instead of hiring them as employees. Now that you know all the types of work that can be done at home, let's talk about where you can sell your services and how. There are many websites available where you can enlist yourself and start working. Also, you can sell your pre-written articles, content, or presentation. Here, I enlisted the 5 most reliable places to market your services. Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the most significant freelance service marketplaces in the world. Here you can sell anything, and I mean almost anything if you're a good writer. Then you may earn a lot on this website. You just need to create an account. After that, you can post your service and the price you want. For quick results, you may advertise your gig too. Tips to be successful on Fiverr. When you're selling on Fiverr, it's essential to be clear about what you're offering. You don't want to promise something that you can't deliver or that will take too long to complete. Be sure to describe your services in detail and include examples of your work. You should also make it clear what the customer can expect from you and what the turnaround time will be. It's also important to be professional and courteous. Respond to messages promptly, and be willing to work with the customer to ensure they're happy with the final product. Freelancer. Freelancer is another excellent platform to make money by writing articles. Here you have to create an account to start. After login, you may bid on any project and get the job. But it's crucial to have a good rating to get any job here. So how could you increase your rating on Freelancer, and what to follow before bidding on a project? When bidding on projects on Freelancer, it's important to make sure that you submit a clear, concise, and accurate proposal. Here are a few tips for submitting a proposal that will help you stand out from the competition. Make sure that you include a cover letter in your proposal. This is your opportunity to introduce yourself and explain why you're the perfect person for the job. Make sure that your proposal is well written and error-free. Typos and mistakes will make you look unprofessional and will likely cost you the project. Be sure to include all of the relevant information about your experience and qualifications. The client wants to know that you're qualified for the job, so make sure that you include your track record of completed projects. If you have any questions, contact the client before sending in a proposal. Make sure that you ask them any questions you may have about the project before putting together your submission. Indeed. Indeed is one of the largest online job portals in the world. You can search for any typing-related job here. You can search for local jobs too. If you want a full-time job, Indeed is the best option for you. To start, you need to create an account and upload your resume. When an employer selects your profile, you can directly contact them and fix the deal. Upwork. Upwork.com is great to work remotely as a content writer. If you have knowledge of content writing, this is one of the best options for you. Like Fiverr here, you don't need to create any gig and wait for a long time. You just need to search for projects and then bid. You can do a few things to increase your chances of getting projects at Upwork. One is to make sure that your profile is complete and up to date. You should also make sure to list all your skills and experiences, as well as any awards or accolades you may have received. Another vital thing to do is to bid on projects you're qualified for. Don't bid on projects that are out of your reach, as you will likely not be selected for them, and it will lower your chances of being chosen for future projects. Finally, make sure to send a proposal that is tailored to the client's needs. Be sure to read the job post carefully before submitting a bid. Airtasker. Airtasker is an Australian-based freelance job posting and hiring platform where you can get a content writing or a typing job. First of all, you need to register as a tasker, then you can apply for copywriting jobs that are listed on the portal. There are 2 ways that you can earn money through Airtasker. The first way is to complete the tasks that you are hired for, and you will be paid for every task you complete. The second way is to become a tasker yourself and post tasks that you need to be completed. This way, you can hire someone to do the task for you and pay them. You can find a variety of typing jobs, and most of them are easy to do. You just need to be able to type quickly and accurately. But it is essential to have a clear idea of what you will write. I hope this video will help you make money using your typing skills.